welcome to Minden's. Minden's are nutritious, delicious meals that you can make in minutes using 5 ingredients or less. Let's see what we're cooking up today in the kitchen. Today we are making turkey cutlets. It is Thanksgiving week and some of you may not want to prepare a whole big Thanksgiving meal, so we're going to bring you a one-pot Thanksgiving meal right here in your own kitchen. So what I did was I started frying up our turkey cutlets. I sprayed the pan with a little bit of olive oil spray and started frying up these turkey breasts. They're frying up pretty quickly. And everything's going to be in one pot to make your Thanksgiving really easy. Now, of course, this doesn't make up for a traditional Thanksgiving meal, but in a pinch, and if you're just cooking for yourself or a few people and you want to make this, it's a great alternative. Now, I don't know if you're familiar with this mix, but I'm going to use the top two and save the carrots for another Minden. And we're just going to pour this right on top. So you're getting your celery and your onions all in one. If you get a carrot or two in there, it's okay. Spread it around. What I did was I took some stuffing, and this is cornbread stuffing, and I'm not going to prepare it according to directions because that's going to add a bunch of unneeded calories. What I did was I took about 1.5 cups and I poured water on top and then I drained it so it's a little bit soft. We're just going to put that right on top and we're going to spread it out. So now you have your stuffing on top of your turkey, and now what we're going to do is we're going to add our cranberries. Almost a whole bag, not quite the whole bag, but almost a whole bag right on top of that. They're going to pop as it cooks. Then I have this turkey gravy, and we're just going to pour that over the whole thing. And there you have it, turkey in one pot. I already tested this recipe and I know it's good, so you will see a finished picture on our Instagram, which is Minden's. You can like us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel where we will bring you a new meal every Monday. On Saturday, we post our shopping list on our website, which is mindens.com, where you'll also find all the nutritional information as well as the cost per serving. And then you can cook along with me on Mondays because they're so quick and easy. Now, last but not least, this is not an ingredient, it's a spice, and you will probably have this in your cabinet already because we've used it for some previous Minden's, and it is a seasonal item at Trader Joe's, so stock up while you can, if not for anything but this cute little wooden spoon that comes with it. We're just going to throw some seasoning on top of that. It's going to simmer up, and you're going to have Thanksgiving in one pan, no cleanup. Thank you so much for watching us today on Minden's. Please tell your friend and come back every Monday for a new dish.